Okay, so we have to initiate our new chapter named Binomial Theorem. So in this chapter, first this chapter is very important. Why? Because you can expect two questions from this one chapter. Okay, and the important part is you can solve those two questions. Okay, so if you are aiming for a good rank or a great rank, you should go for this chapter for sure. Okay, so how this lecture will proceed? So in this session we will study about expansion of two different things while taking power as natural number. Then we will be moving with or taking power as rational number, negative number. Okay, and right now it is binomial. Later we will convert this chapter into multinomial. Okay, so do you remember in childhood days we guys have handled situations like we have to memorize a plus b whole square. Okay, so do you remember while what was the expansion of a plus b whole square? It was a square plus b square plus c square, correct? So look at this thing, but if you try to recall that identity into your module, it goes this way: a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, now try to recall a plus b whole cube. So it goes like this: a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b square. Okay, but we have memorized a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Okay, now look at this, why they have written this expansion in this way only. Okay, so this we have to study in this current topic. Okay, so we have to expand x plus y. It has to be two different term. If it is two different term, then only you can say it is binomial. Okay, you cannot write x plus x. Okay, terms should be different, and then power can be anything. Now how will you write this thing? So you have to give, first write the variable number 1. The variable number 1 is x. Okay, and then you have to write variable number 2. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to give maximum power to variable number 1, that is n, and you have to give minimum power to variable number 2, that is y. It is 0. Okay, now again try to decrease the power of maximum one by 1. So it will become x minus 1, then it will become x minus 2, and then it will become x minus 3. Okay, it will keep on going. Now the power of second variable will increase by 1. Okay, so it will go this way, and you have to keep on doing this thing till the time you will get maximum power of y as n and minimum power of x as 0. Okay, now you will be having some constant. Okay, so for time being I will be writing those constant as a, b, c, d, and so on. Okay, suppose it is alpha. Okay, now you have to handle command over these coefficients a, b, c, d dot 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 alpha. Okay, now try to reconnect with my explanation. My explanation was for a plus b whole square. You know that you have to give maximum power to a 2, minimum power to b 0, plus maximum power. Now you have to reduce the power of a by 1, so it will become a power 1. You have to increase the power of b by 1, and you have to keep on doing till the time you get minimum power to a and maximum power to b. Okay, now we have coefficient as a, b, c. Okay, so now we will study how to find out the coefficient ABC. So if you will observe, here also you have a square, here a square, here AB, here AB, here b square, and here also we have b square. I hope you got the rough idea of expansion. Okay, now we will continue with the coefficient. Okay, I hope till this part you guys are comfortable.